Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to scan a QR code on the ScanGuru application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the plus icon down below and click on camera. Tap on the QR code section down below, and then you should take a picture of the QR code. So tap on this button, and here, as you can see, the QR code has been detected, so you can either open it in Safari or in your browser or copy it to clipboard. If you open it in Safari, you will be directed to the page that the QR code indicates. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.